Where are others? Okay, they are coming. So can we start now? There are
Yes.
two or three are yet to join. Okay, they will come. See, where were we? We were discussing about what seed required in order to germinate. Okay. So first thing the seed require is proper moisture. Okay, proper moisture. Second thing, it require proper temperature.
So proper nutrition.
Yes, nutrition it contain. Okay, because endosperm is there, so it required proper nutrition also. But nutrition are present along with the seed only. Okay, so we can write also proper nutrition.
So when we are putting the manure while before the sowing the seeds, how does it help for germination?
See, it helps. It do not help for germination. For germination, only moisture and temperature. Okay, and the surrounding climatic condition. It helps. But when the from seed, there are two parts like root and shoot are being germinated. Suppose this is the seed, okay, and this is the stem part, and this is the root part. Okay, so once the root are being produced, then they start absorbing moisture from the soil. That time manure is being used. Okay, then plant grows in, then leaf will develop, then branches, then flowering, and it will become the mature plant. Okay, so that time plant uses nutrition from the soil. But when during the germination of seed, plant uses only, or the seedling or sapling uses only the nutrition present in the endosperm. Endosperm is nothing but the cotyledon of the seed. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Somebody's there or no? Okay. So next part we are going to discuss. See, germination of seed. It is not being completed. So germination of the seed happens when the seed is sown in the land and watered. See, water is nothing but, we have discussed here, moisture, because it required water. Okay, so water is nothing but the moisture for it. Okay, a plant is start to emerge from the seed and start to grow. Okay, so that we have discussed, because the seed require proper moisture, proper temperature, and proper nutrition also. Okay, so in order to grow the plant in a proper manner, it require all main three things. Okay, now next we have adding manure and fertilizer into the soil. So once plant is grown from the seed, it start absorbing nutrition from the surrounding means from the soil. Okay, and from the dissolved minerals they present in water. Okay, along with water all the minerals are being absorbed by the plant. Okay, so let me draw the diagram so that you will understand clearly. Okay, suppose this is the soil surface, here the root. Okay, so and it is the soil. Okay, and this is the stem of the plant. So suppose this is the leaf. Okay, see, this is the soil, and the water which present in the soil, okay, this is called as capillary water. Okay, these are the pieces of the soil, and the soil contain water. Okay, water, this water is called as capillary water. Okay, the water present in,
Sir, why it is called as capillary water?
see, if we will discuss, if we will see the example of paddy crop, it require a large quantity of water. But if we, other plants like dicotyledonous plant, they use less water as compared to the paddy crop. So the water molecules, they present in the form of, the small gap between the soil. Suppose it is the soil, so in gap between the particles of the soil, the water is present. That's why it is called as capillary water. That's why I'm going to write for you the water present in a soil.
Okay, sir.
Okay, water present in a soil in the form is called as capillary water. Capillary water. Okay, so it is present in a particles.
Sir,
Small,
the dicotyledon plants will use less water or moisture.
less water.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because in monocotyledon plants like paddy require more water. Only paddy crop require more water. We had to, submerge half of the plant into the water only in a soil. Have you seen?
Yes, sir. The plants are sown in pond only like that.
Not a pond, but yes, we have to make our profile as a small pond like, okay, so that half of the plant have to be submerged in water. Okay, only rice crop, otherwise wheat we have, gram we have, they do not require that much of water like paddy crop do. Okay, so this is all about the germination. And when they are going to use, see, when plant become, the little plant becomes green, why plant looks green? Because the chlorophyll present in them.
Chlorophyll.
Yeah, and due to the presence of chlorophyll, chlorophyll have capacity to absorb radiant energy coming from the sun, and plant uses carbon dioxide from surrounding and water from the soil, and it convert into the food material. Okay, so we can write the chemical reaction over here. Water plus carbon dioxide, okay, in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, plant convert water and carbon dioxide into
Glucose.
the food and releases oxygen gas, which is the,
Sir, it releases oxygen gas and carbohydrates.
yes, carbohydrate is nothing but the food. Okay, and oxygen is released by the plant. Some of the oxygen is being used by the plant and other is released into the atmosphere in order to balance the, the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Because oxygen helps for the, oxygen is also called as the life gas because it helps to exist life on the earth, because we are taking oxygen rich air. Okay, and it helps in proper respiration or oxidation of the food material in animals body. That's why it is, in Hindi we are calling it as pran vayu. You have heard about it, pran vayu.
Yes, sir. Heard.
Means
Life of
oxygen.
life of air, oxygen.
Yes. Okay, so this process performed by the plant, and okay, it is named as photosynthesis. It is named as photosynthesis. Here, photo means light and synthesis means to produce. Okay. So for the performing this process, light, so sunlight is very, very responsible. Okay. That's why it is called as photosynthesis reaction. Okay. This is very important process. By this process, the nutrition, they are coming in our life cycle. Okay. That's why plants are also called as autotrophs because they uses inorganic substance from the surrounding like water and carbon dioxide, and they convert it into the food called carbohydrate and releases oxygen. Okay. And this food and oxygen helps other organism. Wait a second. Sir's call is coming. Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, one is there. One is there. Okay, sir. After session, we will change something here because yes, because when I am opening the full screen, that time I am not receiving the message. Yes. Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah. So I think you have
Sir?
understood. Yes.
Sir, what are organic and inorganic substances?
The organic and inorganic substance. Okay. Let me discuss. Let me explain. Okay. See. There are substances that we have divided into two parts. So matter are divided into two main categories, or matter or substance. Okay, substance. Okay, so number one is organic.
Sir, what is the first word, sir? M.
Matter. And organic. See, we had two main types of substance around us. One is organic and another is inorganic. So in old time, we are discussing, or we are understanding what are organic means: the plant and animal based substance which are plant and animal based. Yeah, animal origin are called as organic substance. Okay, and other substance they are not from the plant and animal origin are called as inorganic substance. Like we have rock, we have air, we have water. These are inorganic substance. Okay, so substance.
Sir, what is the meaning of origin?
Origin means they belongs to or they are derived from. Okay.
Sir, like organic means from nature.
See, organic means the substance which are derived from animal or plants are called as organic substance, and substance which are not derived from plants or animals are called as inorganic substance. Like we have water, we have air, we have rock, we have soil, we have other minerals like we have magnesium, we have ferrous, we have different substance. They are not animal or plant based. That's why they are called as inorganic substance. Okay, so
Sir, even
Sir, then humans are not related to plant and animal origin. Then which origin they are related to, sir?
which substance?
And
Human.
humans.
Human. We are from animal. We are animal.
Sir,
Animal.
then germs are
Yes,
organic.
sir, we are not substances.
Okay, no. We are. I'm not discussing about humans are matter or substances or not. Any kind of substance they are derived from the plant or animals. we are also a part of animal because we are the
Sir,
animals
then,
at the high class. Yes, yes.
Surely, is bacteria inorganic or organic, sir? Then bacteria or virus.
Bacteria
Algae,
are organic. Organic. They are organic,
So, but they are not
How,
animals.
sir?
but they are not. But they are organism.
Sir, but
They are
they are
organic.
not
They are
related
living
to.
things. They are living things. See
Yes,
this
yes, sir.
definition.
But
See,
they are
listen,
not.
listen,
Yes, sir.
listen.
Yes, sir.
This definition is old one. I am going to write the new definition also, modern definition also. Okay.
All living things.
See, this is the old definition. Okay. Now, inorganic substance, we have to first understand inorganic substance. The substance which are not derived from plants and animals are called as inorganic substance. Okay. So now we have modern definition. Okay. We have one modern definition. What is it? Any substance, any substance which have carbon atom
Sir, which is what is carbon atom, sir?
carbon atom in our modern periodic table, the sixth number element.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Carbon is one of the element.
Yes. So any substance which have carbon atom as a main substituent, as a main substituent, are called as,
Sir, like carbon is in sixth place, sir. Periodic
yes,
table sixth
yes,
carbon.
sixth number element. Yes. Okay. If any compound contain carbon atom, means it is organic one.
Sir, do we
That
have
means
carbon in
diamonds
our
are
body?
organic.
Diamond, yes, it is organic.
Sir, like carbon are in our body.
Yes.
Sir,
our
but
body-
diamond is not related to plant and animal origin, right?
it is it is, see, it is where we are finding diamond during mining, is it?
Yes, sir.
And sir,
Yes, sir.
coal is
In
formed by
generally,
the
generally in,
plants.
see what happens, in back crores and crores of year. See, the fossil fuel, have you heard about fossil fuel?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
so
Sir,
fossil,
like before hundreds and thousands of years, they will be compressed
yes,
and formed, sir.
yes, due to the high temperature and pressure inside the different layer or inside the earth surface, okay, they convert into the fossil fuel. Okay, and this fossil is nothing but the coal that we are using in thermal power plant. You might be,
Yes, sir.
aware
To
about the,
generate electricity.
yes. It helps to generate electricity in thermal power plant. That coal is also plant and or animal based. And in coal mining, we are getting graphite as well as diamond. Okay, so diamond is also, because diamond contain only carbon atom. It is a pure carbon. But due to the high temperature and pressure, all the particles, they arrange compactly in three-dimensional structure and it converts into the diamond. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
what are organic compound? Any substance which contain carbon as the main element are called as organic substance. And those substances that do not contain carbon atom are called as inorganic substance. So I am going to write,
Sir, like every living organism will contain carbon.
yes, every living organism, they contain carbon.
So even bacteria.
Yes, bacteria also contain carbon atom.
Okay.
Yes. So in what are inorganic substance? Substance which do not contain contain carbon atom are called as inorganic substance. Inorganic substance. Okay. So you know all the antibiotic drugs, they are derived from the bacteria only. You know that?
Yes, sir. Useful bacteria.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Like
We-
antibiotic is the chemical used for uh, destroying another type of bacteria.
Yes.
Penicillin.
Yes, like penicillium. Who discovered penicillium?
Sir,
Alexander
So
Fleming.
we take.
Alexander Fleming.
Yes, Alexander Fleming, who discovered the first antibiotic called penicillin. Okay, so these antibiotic drugs, they are derived from the bacterial, strain only. Okay, means which type of drug they contain? The carbapenem, means the drug which contain carbon as a main element. Okay, so even the product or maybe the substance they are derived from the bacteria, they are also organic one. Okay, so just you have to remember, any substance they contain carbon atom are called as organic compound, or if they do not contain carbon atom, means they are inorganic compound or inorganic substance.
Sir,
Understood?
you said some type of drug, no, sir?
Pardon, will you please repeat?
Sir, you said some name of the drug, no, sir? Will it be in our body?
Which one?
Sir, the drug,
Sir,
sir.
that,
In our body, in our body.
Yes, sir. Will it be in our body?
Yes, see what happens in, suppose you gone through the outside and you know in a rainy season, if you caught by the rain, so you get cough and sneezing, cough and cold, right?
Yes, sir.
So that
Sir.
time antibodies of from our body, they fights with the initial stage with bacteria and viruses, and they kills them, and we are getting recovered automatically without having any kind of drug. Okay, so there are most type of drug, they are produced in our body itself, because our body have the self defense mechanism. Okay, so due to the self defense mechanism, our wounds are also get healed by themselves only. Okay, but we can't kill human, but we can't kill human being for the production of medicine, right? Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, see, have you heard जो like लोहा लोहे को काटता है, have you heard that point?
Yes, sir. Poison is used for the
Yes,
medicine
yeah,
of
to
poison.
reduce the poison. Okay, or to reduce the effect of
Sir,
poison.
what did you say, sir?
I did not understood it, sir.
Will you please repeat? I'm not getting your voice properly.
Sir, please saying I did not understood what you said in Hindi.
Okay, like we are saying ना, लोहा लोहे को काटता है, जहर जहर को मारता है, वैसे ही बैक्टीरिया से बैक्टीरिया को ही मारने की दवा बने, like this. Now understood?
Sir, the inject.
See,
Sir, means bacteria are used to make the medicine to stop the
to
effect
kill,
of bacteria.
yes, to see, antibiotic drug, they works by two ways, either to reduce the growth of bacteria or directly to kill the bacteria. Okay, so on that basis we have two type of antibiotic drug. One is bacteriophage and one is bactericidal. Bactericidal antibiotic drug, they use to kill the bacteria, and bacteriophagal drug, they use to reduce the growth of bacteria. Okay, understood? Now we are going to move.
Sir, like,
Mhm.
sir, like there should be essential bacteria in our body, but it should not be more. If it will be more, they will use this antibiotic, sir.
See, bacteria are of two main types. One are harmful and one for useful. Like bacteria, they are present in milk. Milk, milk.
Lactobacilli.
Sir, it
Yes.
is lactobacteria.
Yes, lactobacillus bacteria, they use to boost our, digestive system. They helps in to boost the digestive system so that our digestive system becomes very efficient.
Probiotic.
Yes, we are called them probiotics also. And probiotic, substance, they are present in market also. And they are very popular nowadays, probiotics. Okay. So probiotic contain useful bacteria. They use to, increase or efficiency of digestive system and also helps to increase our immunity. Okay, so these are the useful bacteria.
Sir, like
But
probiotics. Sir, nothing, sir. Like I'm asking, they are selling the probiotics, sir.
yes. In the market, you will find in different flavor also probiotics. Okay. So we are discussing
Sir,
about
what
the
the probiotics do, sir?
probiotics are the, that are, you can say there's are the milk, different type of milk product. They present in different
Yes, sir.
flavor.
Yogurt.
Yes,
It is
yogurt is
source.
there. Okay,
Oh.
so they contain useful bacteria. They use to increase the efficiency of our digestive system. Okay, like if we are having once or twice in a month, then it will good and beneficial for us. Okay, so probiotics bacteria are good for health. They helps to increase our body's immunity as well as helps to increase the efficiency of our digestive system. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think our time is over because I have the next class. So adding manure
Yes, sir.
adding manure and fertilizer we will discuss on next video. Okay, next lecture.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So any more doubt you have?
Sir, can you please post this recording on YouTube?
Yes, I'm going to post by tomorrow. You will get the same video on YouTube also.
Okay,
Sir,
sir. Thank
will
you.
you send this textbook, sir, in the WhatsApp? Sir, will you send these notes in WhatsApp or Google Classroom?
Yes, in Google Classroom. You will get it by tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
May I know your name?
Sir, me?
Yes.
Sir, Siddharth.
Siddharth, where are you? Siddharth. I can't see you. Where are you? Can you open your camera?
Sir,
Sir,
you
my
open
camera is on.
Siddharth Bhumar.
But I can't. Let me check. Siddharth. Okay. Here you are. SG. Okay. So we'll meet in next class. Okay. Yeah. So
Okay, sir.
okay. So you will get the same lecture on YouTube also, and you will get the same notes on the Google Classroom also. Okay. I think by
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
probably
Sir,
tomorrow.
tomorrow we have any class? Saturday, science class or any other class?
Let me check my schedule. 8 Friday. No, tomorrow I have 9th A bio and 9th B. I have to teach 9th class tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. So we'll meet on next day when we will meet on probably on Monday.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah. Bye, beta.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, you are the Siddharth. Okay.